Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A71. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, go to More and enter Settings. Now go to Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay, now you are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers, with a high of 8 and a low of -1.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.